Today, we've got an exclusive sneak peek into the upcoming Google Pixel 9 Pro, courtesy of the renowned tech insider, Steve and MySmartPrice. The Pixel 9 Pro is already making waves with its leaked renders, and Google seems to have given it a not-so-subtle makeover, making it even more chic than its predecessor, the Pixel 8 Pro. The flat screen remains a key feature, but the bezels seem to have undergone a slight reduction, possibly accentuated by the choice of a monochromatic wallpaper. The flat frames, replacing the curved sides of its predecessor, contribute to a sharper and more refined aesthetic. Some might even say it's iPhone-esque with flat frames. With dimensions measuring at 162.7 by 76.6 by 8.5 mm, 12 mm with the camera bump, the Pixel 9 Pro may carry a tad more thickness than its predecessor. Now, let's talk about the display. Rumor has it that the Pixel 9 Pro will sport a 6.5-inch screen, a subtle reduction compared to the Pixel 8 Pro's 6.7-inch panel. However, there's a twist in the tale. Steve's measurement methods might be skewing our perception, and the actual display size could be more in line with its predecessor since the dimensions are mostly the same. One of the major changes comes in the form of a revamped camera island design, seemingly borrowed from the Pixel Fold. The main sensor appears substantial, fueling speculation of a potential variable aperture camera system. If true, this innovation could enhance photo quality, delivering sharper images with reduced noise. And there's more. The SIM card tray has moved to the right of the USB-C port. It's not a radical makeover, but it's enough to turn heads. The Pixel 9 Pro retains its signature horizontal camera bar, a subtle shift, yet it speaks volumes about Google's design evolution. In a surprising twist, the leak suggests Google might be planning to launch the Pixel 9 Pro earlier than expected. Could it hit the shelves before the current gen device announced in October? Well, no official word on that yet, but it's always fun to speculate. That's a wrap on today's sneak peek into the Pixel 9 Pro. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates, and let us know in the comments, what's your take on these leaked renders? Until next time, peace out.